Hey guys, Kel with Family Handyman. We've all been on the internet or watching TV and we see that one product that we might not really need to buy, but then we end up buying it anyways, and we find out that it's actually pretty useful. Well, I have a few products today that are just like that. Let's check them out. You know what I don't like? Taking multiple trips to bring groceries inside the house. That's why they made the Mighty Handle bag carrier. You can load up all your grocery bags on it and bring them all inside all in one trip. Using a regular strainer is fine. It works, but it can be clumsy and you have to use both hands. That's why they made the Snap and Strain strainer. All you do is snap it onto the pot and then you strain away. Do you ever leave the house and find that your phone battery is dangerously low? Enter the Anker Powerport Atom 3. This high-speed USB charger gets your phone battery up to 100% life in no time, so you can get back to tweeting. Yes, you can use a regular knife to slice an avocado, but wouldn't it be better if you just had one simple tool to slice it? That's why they made the 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. If you fancy yourself eating a lot of avocados in the future, this tool is going to change your life. When it's 100 degrees outside and you're sweating profusely, you're going to be grateful for this portable smartphone fan. All you do is you plug it into your port on the bottom of your phone and it provides instant relief. Nobody's raving about garden gloves. Nobody has a favorite pair. When we start using the Sturdy Claws Garden Genie gloves, you're sure to become a fan. We've all been there when we're trying to put food in a sandwich bag and they keep toppling over. It makes it kind of difficult. That's why they made these Yuff sandwich bag holders. It makes it easy to load them up with food. You just set them in there and they stand upright. I bet you never thought that this could be used for cleaning. That's what the Drill Brush All-Purpose Power Scrubber can do. All you do is you slip it into the chuck and you can start scrubbing away at your bathroom. So those are a few impulse buys that you'll find useful and they might make your life a little easier. For more gadget recommendations, head to FamilyHandyman.com.